How to send USDT from OKX Wallet to Phantom Wallet. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be discussing about how to send USDT from OKX Wallet to Phantom Wallet. So first thing first, just head over to your Play Store and make sure you have successfully downloaded as well as installed the Phantom application, that is Phantom Wallet, and your OKX Wallet as well. So after that, just open up your Phantom Wallet first and select the USDT token, find receive or deposit option and click on that. So once you click on that, you will see your USDT deposit address. So just copy it carefully, double check the address before proceeding. So now simply select the correct network. When sending USDT from OKX, ensure you choose the correct network that matches the one you used by your Phantom Wallet for USDT. So for Phantom, this is typically the Solana network. So make sure your network you select in OKX matches the network of the address you copied from Phantom. So next, just head over to your OKX application or your browser and just make sure you have successfully logged into your account or signed up to your account, and simply click on select withdraw or send. And once you click on that, paste the Phantom USDT deposit address you copied earlier from there and choose the correct network, that is Solana for example, and enter the amount in USDT that you want to send and review all the details and confirm the withdrawal. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.